KMTP, Korea Medical Training Program, is Korea's premier intergovernmental healthcare training initiative, designed specifically for medical professionals from the Middle East. This comprehensive program offers hands-on experience across various healthcare fields, from clinical practice to advanced medical technologies, enabling medical professionals to enhance their expertise in Korea's leading healthcare institutions. Behind this initiative stands the Korea Health Industry Development Institute, KIDI, a government-affiliated organization that has been at the forefront of Korea's healthcare advancement since 1999. With the support of the Ministry of Health and Welfare, KIDI operates the Korea Medical Training Program and is committed to providing high-quality training opportunities. Now let's take a closer look at KMTP and discover what makes this program unique.
한국의료 연수 프로그램 KMTP가 시작된 지 올해로 11년이 되었습니다. 11년이라는 시간뿐만이 아니라 360명이 넘는 외국의 의료인들이 이 프로그램을 통해 새로운 경험을 쌓고 KMTP가 국제적으로 인정받는 연수 프로그램으로 성장했다는 데 의미를 찾을 수 있습니다. 한국의 연수 프로그램은 우리나라와 정부 간 협약을 맺은 사우디아라비아, 쿠웨이트, 바레인, 오만의 의사와 치과 의사들 대상으로 운영하고 있습니다. KMTP의 핵심은 중동 국가의 의료인들이 본 프로그램에 참가함으로써 세계적으로 우수한 한국의 의료 기술과 시스템을 직접 체험할 수 있다는 점입니다. 또한 한국의 의료기관에서 수준 높은 인상 경험을 쌓으면서 의료인으로서 자신의 전문성을 더욱 강화할 수 있습니다.
The curriculum of the KMTP program is well structured and diverse, with 2 tracks for doctors and dentists, each tailored specifically for their needs. For physician training, we offer a fellowship program which can be applied for after completing residency and attaining specialist certification. We offer training opportunity in a total of 30 specialties, including general surgery, ENT, orthopedics, urology, OBGYN, and more across 12 hospitals. The dental tracks offers more variety, including both a fellowship program and a 3-year residency program. Major specialties include oral and maxillofacial surgery, orthodontics, prosthodontics, and pediatric dentistry, and more, with a total of 6 specialties.
The most distinctive feature of Korean medical training program, which is KMTP, is it allows hands-on practice in the hospital. As you know, in most conventional training program, it only allows observation and theoretical teaching, which can be less effective than hands-on program. But in this KMTP, trainees are expected to participate in the actual clinical settings, so our trainees can learn practical knowledge, surgical picks, and wisdom from their mentors.
KMTP means valuable experience and broadening my horizons as a medical professional. The Korean Medical Training Program is a transformative journey that equipped me with advanced skills.
Along with technical skills, I place a high value on developing a doctor's mindset, such as compassion, ethical judgment, and a strong sense of responsibility is just as crucial in medical practice. Many practice on laparoscopy models beforehand and attend robotic surgery workshops to refine their skills. This extra efforts ensures them to be well prepared for the hands-on experience in the operating room.
The Korean Medical Training Program provides a hands-on experience in medical practice. I'm eager to learn and advance Korean surgical techniques to bring cutting-edge technology back to our country and help our community.
Working at the university hospital, you may experience a lot about clinical cases. Also, level of clinical difficulty is also various. So you may experience various people, various patients with different level of needs, demands, and also medical problems.
Here you can learn world-class dental techniques, experience and a new culture, form international networks, and grow as a doctor and as a person. I can say that it's more than enough to learn from the both advanced clinically and also knowledge.
I can say that Korean medical training program is outstanding in the field of surgery, as there are many new and unique surgical approaches. Regarding my specialty as an endodontist, I found that tooth intentional replantation is a relatively common technique in South Korea, which I want to master and apply when I go back to my country again.
Korean medical training program is not just about learning medical skills. We provide concierge services and facilities, including a prayer room, to help ease cultural adjustments during your training period in Korea. We also provide Korean language training to help the trainees navigate their lives in Korea. We also have a program to understand Korean culture, so that during the training period, the trainees can develop not only medical knowledge, but also cultural competence, allowing them to build a global medical network.
KMTP is an opportunity, it's a challenge, so I'm proud for being selected for this program.
By participating in KMTP, don't hesitate to give it a try. This program will be an incredible turning point in your medical career.
I believe Korean medical training program is a bridge connecting medical care in Korea and medical care in Middle East together.